Imagine your kidneys as the unsung heroes of your body, tirelessly filtering toxins day and night. Now, picture unknowingly sabotaging these vital organs with every bite you take. Today, we're exposing the 5 common foods that could be silently damaging your kidneys. Stay tuned, number 3 might shock you. Welcome back, health warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of kidney health. But before we start, let me ask you this. Do you know what your kidneys do while you sleep? They filter about 50 gallons of blood. That's enough to fill a small hot tub. Now, let's make sure we're not making their job harder with our diet choices. But did you know some seemingly innocent foods can wreak havoc on these vital organs? Like tiny ninjas, they silently infiltrate your system, putting your kidney health at risk. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to keep your kidneys happy and healthy. First on our list is the salty saboteur processed foods. What if I told you that a bag of chips could be more dangerous than you think? Processed foods are often loaded with sodium, which can raise blood pressure and make your kidneys work overtime. But here's the thing, it's not just about the salt shaker. Hidden sodium in foods like canned soups, frozen dinners, and even bread can add up quickly. Quick tip: aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. That's about 1 teaspoon of salt for your entire day. Second is the sweet deceiver, added sugars. Did you know that your morning healthy yogurt could be harming your kidneys? Many foods marketed as low-fat or healthy are often packed with added sugars. These sugars can lead to obesity and type 2 diabetes, both major risk factors for kidney disease. Here's a fun fact. The average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar daily. That's more than triple the recommended amount. The third thing is the protein paradox: excessive animal protein. Here's the bombshell. That extra serving of steak might be doing more harm than good. While protein is essential, too much animal protein can increase the workload on your kidneys. High-protein diets can lead to increased acid production in the body, which your kidneys must then neutralize. Opt for lean protein sources like fish, chicken breast, and legumes to keep your kidneys happy. Here's a mind-blowing stat for you. Studies have shown that high-protein diets can increase the risk of kidney stones by up to 250%. Wow! Number 4 is the phosphorus problem: cola and soft drinks. Did you know that refreshing soda was actually accelerating kidney damage? Dark colas are rich in phosphorus, which can be problematic for people with kidney issues. Excess phosphorus can lead to bone and heart problems in those with compromised kidney function. Scary fact, just 1 can of cola can contain up to 50% of the recommended daily intake of phosphorus, which in turn can cause you 100% some severe issues later on in life. Our fifth and final is the hidden harm: artificial sweeteners. Think diet soda is a safe alternative? Think again. The truth about artificial sweeteners might leave a bitter taste in your mouth. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners might actually increase the risk of kidney function decline, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's dive deeper into the potential dangers lurking in your healthier drink choices. Research has shown that artificial sweeteners can disrupt your body's ability to regulate blood sugar. Ironically, the very substitutes meant to help manage diabetes might be increasing your risk of developing it. Also, your digestive system is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria. Emerging studies indicate that artificial sweeteners can alter this delicate gut microbiome, potentially leading to digestive issues and even affecting your immune system. This also leads to one of mankind's biggest killers. While the evidence is not conclusive, some studies have raised concerns about a potential link between certain artificial sweeteners and increased cancer risk, particularly in animal studies. Preliminary studies also suggest a potential link between artificial sweetener consumption and cognitive decline, including an increased risk of dementia. Now you might be thinking, is there anything left I can eat? Don't worry, the key is moderation and awareness. But here's what else you can do. Embrace the power of plants. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are packed with essential nutrients and low in sodium, potassium, and phosphates. They're like a kidney cleanse party in your body. The power to protect your kidneys is literally in your hands and on your plate. Your kidneys are working 24/7 to keep you healthy. The least we can do is make their job a little easier. By being mindful of these 5 foods and making small, consistent changes, you're not just protecting your kidneys, you're investing in your overall health and longevity. Remember, every food choice is an opportunity to nourish or neglect your body. Which will you choose? If this video opened your eyes to some surprising kidney threats, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health insights. And here's a challenge for you. Try cutting out one of these kidney-harming foods for a week and comment below with how you feel. Your experience could inspire others to make a change. Until next time, keep those kidneys happy and take care of yourself, all of yourself.